homemade gingerberry citrus soda. I've come up with a mocktail for you. It's based on, I do a gin berry smashy smash. So I'm doing that right now without the gin. And it's, I try to make it healthy because I know you're a doctor and everything. I'm not. But I have some ginger and some berries, so there'll be some antioxidant properties. And instead of sugar, we're using agave.
Nice.
So let's just get to it. So
Okay.
You got your muddler?
Yep.
All right, good. So first take a little bit of these berries here. I've got blackberries
Okay.
and I've got some blueberries. And put them in the bottom
Okay.
of your cocktail shaker.
Okay. Did that?
All right, good. Now you got your muddler?
Yep.
Looks like a baseball bat. Yeah, just mush
Yep.
that down. You want to make, it's going to look like baby food, basically.
A little slurry.
Exactly.
Okay. Good. Nice.
And then add a few leaves of mint.
Okay. Got that. I love mint,
that
by the
in
way.
there.
I love the smell of it. I love the taste of it.
Thank you. Also put in a few of these, you got your freshly peeled and sliced ginger.
Yep.
Ginger
love
root.
ginger. Yep. Here we go.
Put that in there. And then mash that up a little bit more.
JC, it already smells good. I mean, it can smell good already. You know what I mean?
Well, thank you. All right, so then when that's like kind of smooth, we're going
Yep.
to take your agave syrup, and
Yep.
per mocktail, you want to add 1 ounce of agave syrup.
So JC, I got to tell you something. This is my favorite part, right? When you use this little measuring cup, I like it when you do this,
Yeah, the little the measuring thing.
like this. You go like this. You go.
Dude, your technique is spot on. My God. Then we're gonna add some fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Yep.
1 ounce, again, same
Another
amount as the
ounce?
agave. You could also use lime juice if you want. Hey, Ian, what's that behind your head over there?
Which
Behind
way?
you, I see something.
My flower?
No, it's fine. It's good.
I can hear something pouring.
No, I didn't do anything.
Smooth, JC, smooth.
Anyway,
And
so
then I
now
add my
you're
ice.
gonna add your ice right to the shaker.
Okay.
Then, now let's see how good your skills are. You got one of those. Those are cool too.
Yeah.
Those,
Ready?
and shake for like a good, 17 seconds or so until your hand gets cold.
It's cold. It's cold right away. I love it. Okay.
Yeah, you got your glass with ice, so you're going to double strain that into your glass with ice.
Nice. Look at that. Look at that.
And that's kind of healthy, right? Well, yours is. Mine's not as healthy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is great.
Okay. Now you're
Okay.
going to top that with club soda.
Okay.
So it's really a healthy, homemade gingerberry citrus soda is what you made.
Okay, then I stir it. You got to do it.
just
Not
gently stir
shaking,
it.
but stirred. Yep.
And then if you want to get all fancy, you can garnish with an
Okay.
extra little sprig and a berry or two.